Dumelang, ke a le amogela mo Losika Rights. Nna ke bidiwa Tshegofatso. Hello, welcome to Losika Rights. My name is Tshegofatso, and today we're talking about being sick. Being sick. And how do you present and have a consultation with a doctor when you are sick? Now, when I am not here at Losika Rights teaching people how to speak Setswana, very informally, casually, I'm actually a medic, so I consult patients and try and fix people, help people get well. So this is me trying to combine those two hats together. Now, I have never actually properly consulted in Tswana, so this was a journey for me too. But yeah, rock with me. Let's get started. So before you attend a doctor, usually you are feeling unwell. How do you say I'm unwell? Ga ke a tsoga sentle. Ga ke a tsoga sentle means I did not wake up well, also known as I'm sick. I did not wake up well. Tsoga is to wake up, sentle is fine. I did not wake up well. Ga ke ikutlwe sentle. Ga ke ikutlwe sentle. Go ikutlwa is to feel. Ikutlwa is to feel. Sentle is fine. Ga ke is like the negative. I don't feel well. Ke ikutlwa sentle means I am well. Ke tsogile sentle. I woke up well. Ga ke a tsoga sentle means I'm not well. Ga ke ikutlwe sentle. I don't feel well. So you kind of start there. Another way is ga ke a tsoga. Ga ke a tsoga, which literally means I did not wake up. Tsoga is to wake up. Ga ke a tsoga means I didn't wake up in the literal sense, but it kind of implies I am not well. I am not well. And another way is ke a lwala. Ke a lwala. Ke a lwala means I am sick. Go lwala is to be sick. O na le bolwetse, you have an illness. Bolwetse, illness. O a lwala means you are sick. Ke a lwala means I am sick. Re a lwala means we are sick. Let's say your house has been invaded by the flu. Re a lwala ko ga rona. We are sick at our house. We have been invaded by flu. It's winter. I feel you. So those are a few ways to say I'm not well. Ke a lwala, ga ke a tsoga, ga ke a tsoga sentle, ga ke ikutlwe sentle. Different ways to say I am not well. So other vocabulary is botlhoko. Botlhoko means pain. Botlhoko, pain. Molemo. Molemo means goodness in general, but in this context, molemo is medicine. Medicine. That's just medicine as a whole. You can have dipilisi, which are pills, literally English version. Dipilisi, pills that you might be prescribed for your illness. Illness, bolwetse. Bolwetse. Bolwetse is illness. Opa. Opa is to ache. Ke opiwa ke tlhogo. Tlhogo e a opa means headache. Head is aching. My head is aching. Ke opiwa ke tlhogo. My head is aching, also known as a headache. Tlhogo e a opa. Head is aching. Headache. Leino le a opa. Toothache. Opa, it's aching. Ditlhabi. Ditlhabi. These are like aches and pains, but usually of the body. So when you have flu, you might say, ke na le ditlhabi. I have aches and pains. Ke na le ditlhabi. I have aches and pains. And ditlhabi is plural, which means it's kind of diffuse. It's everywhere. I have aches and pains everywhere. Setlhabi is one. Usually it's like when you can pinpoint. I have a pain here. Yeah, I have an ache here. Then you say, ke na le setlhabi. Ke na le setlhabi fa when you point. Yeah. Then you could say, I'm nauseous. Ke feroga sebete. ke feroga sebete. Go feroga, literally it's like churning of the liver. That's how to describe nausea. Churning of the liver. Go feroga sebete. That is nausea. I hope that you learned some new vocabulary to do with illness. Until next time, kosiame. Bye.